We are talking of things, people. This is a game before I talk more on things. Okay? चलिए. Ferrari is a Ferrari किसके साथ इसमें मैच हो रही है बताइए. Ferrari is a oops, sorry. You have to match. You have to match. Ferrari is noise, close, entertainment, metal, climbing fast, very fast. See, you have to match A and B. Yeah. Where do you see a car here, boys? Very fast. Yes. Ferrari is very fast. Folks are second one. Folks are. You can write the word or number. You write the word. Cattle is used for. Cattle is used. Cattle is used. Yeah, made of metal ho gaya. I'm going to the third one. Boil water. Yes. Houses are usually. Houses are usually. Houses are usually what? Made of bricks. Yes. A ring. Okay. So you can pause over here. I'll give you this on your channel. So you can write the answers there also. I'm pausing the game over here. Now listen carefully, people. I'm talking about describing things now. जैसे अभी हमने describe करा. Okay, as we just now had some warm-up sessions for describing things. जैसे Ferrari is very fast. Okay, so these are now describing things depends on the situation, depends on the usage, depends on a lot of other factors. Okay, I can say the Ferrari is of red color, or Ferrari is of various colors. Okay, I can say the kettle is used to, boil water, and the boiled water is used for drinking. I can link it up, I can stretch it up. Okay, a television is an idiot box. I can say that also if I don't like television. Okay, scissors are used to cut lot of things like paper, rope, cloth. Okay, so when we are describing things, it depends on the situation, depends on the need of the hour. Okay, let us move ahead and see a little more. This will be there on the channel. Calmly, peacefully write the answers. I will look into the answers over there also. Don't worry. Okay. Uh, Come on. Describe the picture here. I want to see who gives in one message maximum sentences. Don't give me one sentence and I'll count 10. 10 में आपको submit करना है, ठीक है? I'll just count 10. No, don't give one word answers. I want sentences in one chat. I'm starting my counting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now you can put the message below. Painting, sleeping, playing. Yes, Rabi, right. The girl is sitting. One sentence. One. Okay, I expected more sentences. Once boy plays football. Okay, girl is sitting. Okay, then what else? What next? She's reading. Okay, boys. Okay, picture girl. Yeah. Okay, so your typing speed also you're getting it over here as we had a talk on this also. Girl is reading, girl is reading. Okay. Okay. I move ahead with this. Now see, describing picture here, you can see that there are a lot of apples. The apples are of red color. So this is how actually, you're using adjectives, you're using adverbs to describe, to identify. Okay. You're having certain physique, you're having certain structure, you're having certain formation that tells. Of course, that tells what the person is doing, what the person is wearing, whether he is a boy, she's a girl, animal, insect, dog. So all lot of this. Now when we talk of identifying things and identifying pictures, talking about things, all depends on the situation. Okay. This picture will also go in the channel. I expect you to write answer for the picture also. I want minimum 20 sentences. You can write in the comment box in the channel, not here. Okay. Okay. Moving on with the next part. We are going to the next part of our today's session. Okay. Now, asking for information. There are various ways you ask for information. Okay. Before I go here, or before I carry on with the next part, people, अभी तक मैंने आपको जो बताया, I hope that is clear. Okay. अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है, you can just message me later on, or you can just rewatch the video and understand it. Okay. But the only thing I expect is कि आप जो information मैं यहाँ पे दे रही हूँ, जो भी मैं आपको यहाँ पे पढ़ा रही हूँ, please use it. Okay. You should be using it. Fine. So when we talk of information, हम mostly पूछते हैं about date and time. Okay. What is the time? What is today's date? Mostly हम ये पूछते हैं. फिर हम पूछते हैं about directions and locations. Okay. Where to go, how to go, where is this place, where is that place. Okay. Then we ask about contact information. We ask about contact information. We say कि number क्या है, email क्या है, contact information we ask. Then we ask about specific details, कुछ particular specific details, जैसे कि what color phone you want to buy, what do you want to have for dinner today, what do you prefer for lunch today, something specific you want to know. Clarifications, जब आपने कुछ सुना, आपको किसी टॉपिक पे डाउट है और आपको कुछ और इलॉबरेट पूछना है, तो दैट इज क्लियरिफिकेशन. ओके. You ask for clarification. And of course, you also ask for some general information. So today in this session, we are going to talk about some, variety of questions, variety of framing, sentence framing, or maybe, you can say rather content, different ways of asking this or taking this information. Okay. जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन की पहले बात करें तो जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन आप किस किस तरीके से ले सकते हो, पूछ सकते हो. ठीक है. तो पहला तो आप ये पूछ सकते हो, could you please provide me with more details about whatever, maybe about the trip, about anything about the area or the upcoming event. जैसे यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल में देखो, could you please provide me with little more details about the upcoming event. Okay. Upcoming test or anything it can be. एक ये तरीका है, इस तरह से पूछ सकते हो आप. Can you tell me more about blah blah blah, something, whatever you want. Can you tell me more about Bhavika ma'am? How is she teaching? She's teaching nice or not? How are the sessions? Whether they are interesting or not? Okay. So you can just question this way. Can you tell me more about the new student who has joined our class? Is she a good person or not? Can you tell me more about the movie that is released, the new movie that is released? Is it a good one? Should I watch it or not? Okay. General information. I'm looking for information on dash dash dash. Could you help me? So I'm looking for more information on new software update. Could you help me? I'm looking for information on new launched mobile. Can you help me? Could you help me? Okay. So these are varieties. इस तरीके से आप पूछ सकते हो. Okay. Don't just ask very simple questions. आप यहाँ पे English सीख रहे हो. I'm really happy to see 100 above people here in the session. And I really expect कि ये बहुत ही simple sentences है people. You don't have to ratify. जैसे मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ. Never ratify. Don't learn. Use it. When you use it multiple times, वो आपको अपने आप आ जाएंगे. Okay. The next way of asking is, do you have any information on particular subject? Okay. So do you have any information on the latest research findings? Do you have more information on the school reopening, the college reopening? Do you have more information on the trip to Manali, the trip to, Canada, trip to UK, USA? Okay, so these are some general questions. General information के लिए आप ये questions पूछ सकते हो. ठीक है.